This is a 2019 Chevy Express 3500 LT trim, 12 passenger seating. You have a running board that goes all the way from the front wheel to the back wheel. Has the chrome appearance package, so you get the chrome bumpers on the front and rear. You have a backup camera. Lots of cargo. You get the power lock on the rear door. Then you have your manual vents, so you just open those up and you can vent the back windows. It's Oxford white paint. Privacy glass on all the rear windows. There's another step for the driver. So now you can see more chrome from the chrome appearance package on the front end. Has a gray cloth seat with the vinyl on the sides. You get black carpet floors, and there's the GM rubber floor mats. There's a 12-volt outlet, 120 volt. And then this has forward collision alert as well as lane change alert. So that's nice for the safety package. ONSTAR, another 12 volt, and your traction control button. You have your climate control here in the front. And there's your climate control for the rear. Then you have a storage compartment here with your owner's manual. Sliding door to get into the rear. So you can fit 3 here, 3 here, and 4 back here. And then each row has its own air vents as well as dome lights. All of the options on this are going to be online in the comment section, but you can see here this is a VORTEC 6-liter gas V8 6-speed auto. It is 2-wheel drive. Has the power convenience package, chrome package, and preferred. So you're going to get the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Automatic headlights. 40,000 and 26 miles. Cruise control. There's your backup camera.